like taking my dog for a walk, and she's like, first time in like a couple months I've taken her for a walk, and she's going absolutely butt crazy because she's outside of the house. Crazy. By the way, this is Maggie. She's the little puppy that I got. Oh, I found she was a little, maybe like a month old when I found her. She was, if any of you live in like the Clovis area in California, you guys should know the Valero on Clovis Avenue. I found her trying to cross the street there, and she was just about to cross the street when a big old truck was coming. Come on! And I kind of rescued her, and she's been mine ever since. I think she's a little pit bull lab. Can't really tell yet. She's still really young. She's almost 4 months now. So, yeah, little Maggie dog on a first walk. Kinda, it's all, she finally got all of her rabies and all of her other shots. Woo! Little baby Maggie. Come on, Zoe. Yeah, Zoe girl. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, that's a little puppy dog.